Hello, good day guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is a wonderful day because I'll be showing you 4 different websites in which you can learn any tech skill for free. Stay tuned to this tutorial guys, because this tutorial will really help you in your tech journey. It will actually give you 4 different websites you can learn tech skill for free. So let's come over to the screen. So the first websites that you can use to learn for free is W3 School. So W3 School, as you can see, has different varieties of skills you can learn, has different varieties of codes you can learn. So as you can see here, you can see HTML. So let's assume you want to learn HTML. So you can see everything has been broken down. Everything has been broken down. Even a beginner can actually learn it. Everything has been broken down. So as you can see, you have different HTML tutorials, and you can also do practice. You can also practice. So you can also practice what you've learned. You can practice what you've learned on the website. So you can also learn CSS. You can learn JavaScript. You can learn SQL. You can learn Python. You can learn Java. You can learn PHP. There is a lot of skills you can actually learn on W3 Schools. And you can also come over to the search button, and let's assume you want to learn C++. Let's assume you want to learn C++. You can just come here and type C++, click on your enter button. You can actually see it's just for you to start learning C++. So you can see there's actually C++ here, so you can start learning. Hello world, you can start learning and practicing, because practice actually makes perfect. You can learn Ash, you can learn Bootstrap, you can learn React, you can learn MySQL, you can learn jQuery, and you can see that there are other skills you can actually learn. If you are a programmer, there are actually skills. You can learn data science, you can learn cyber security, you can learn AWS, you can learn Spicy, you can learn GenAI, DSC, VUE, SASS, Kotlin, Go AI. So there are many things you can actually learn on W3 School. So moving ahead to the second website, we have Alison. So Alison is one of the best free online websites in which you can learn any of your tech skill you want to learn. So let's assume I'm a data analyst and I want to learn SQL. So when you go to the Alison website, you just go to the search bar and type, let's assume I want to learn SQL, structured query language used by data analysts. So just click on it, and when you click on it, you can see some courses you can actually take. Diploma in SQL 2014 developer. So you can actually see some courses you can actually start learning, and it's for free. You can see over here you have close to 4,757 learners taking some of the courses. So you can just come over and learn any skill as small as you can learn. As far as possible you can learn. You can just start learning any skill without paying any dime. So going to the third free website, we have Free Code Camp. We have Free Code Camp. So Free Code Camp is actually a code camp, a free code camp basically for programmers. So if you are a programmer or a web developer, mobile app developer, you are into programming language, Free Code Camp is one of the websites you should consider learning your tech skill from, because it's very, 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 very good to learn your skill from Free Code Camp. So coming to Free Code Camp, you can actually see there's more than 40,000 Free Code Camp.com graduates. So that is graduates that have learned from Free Code Camp have more than 40,000. So you can see that there is support with different big companies like Google, Microsoft, Spotify, Amazon.com, and many other companies which they are partners with. So you can just click on get started for free. So when you click on get started for free, so you'll be able to see some courses. So as you can see, there are different courses here that you can start learning. You see responsive web design certification. If you want to become a web designer, you can just go for responsive web design certification. JavaScript, algorithm and data structures, beta certification. So you can see data visualization certification. If you're a data analyst, you want to learn like SQL and different softwares, you can actually learn it. Relational database certification, data analysis with Python, information security certification. So these are a variety of courses you can actually learn from Free Code Camp. So guys, the last website I want to show you is one of the best websites in all the websites I'll be showing you. So just stay tuned to this tutorial and make sure you saw the last website, because the last website is one of the best websites I've actually used in my tech career journey, and it's a website that has really helped me in my journey. Okay, so this golden website is MindLuster. That's the name of the website, MindLuster. So let's come here, click on the first link. Okay, so now this is the landing page of MindLuster. So as you can see, MindLuster has almost 300,000 online courses. Wow, just imagine learning close to even 10,000 courses. At least you'll be able to start earning in dollars. So MindLuster actually has like almost 300,000 online courses you can learn for free. And one of the best thing about this website is it actually comes with a certificate. So once you are done learning, you'll be given a certificate. So you can actually learn any skill on MindLuster. Okay, so let's just check out some skills you can actually learn on MindLuster. So like if you're a graphics designer and you want to learn like Photoshop, okay, let's type on our Photoshop. Okay, let's type in Photoshop, click your enter button. So as you can see, we have actually been giving tutorials for Photoshop. Like if you want to learn Photoshop, we've been giving tutorials for Photoshop. So you can see this website is very mind-blowing. So you see Adobe Photoshop tutorial, Adobe Photoshop, Photoshop CS. So there are many tutorials you can actually learn. There are many things you can actually learn under Photoshop. So there are many things you can learn. So it's not only that. If you want to learn courses like Microsoft Excel, learning English speaking, data entry, Python programming language, French, cyber security, Excel course, communication skills, landscape animation, and After Effects, like there are varieties of course you can actually learn from this particular website. And after learning them from this particular website, you'll be given a certificate. That is one of the best. That is one of the things I actually love about this website, because after completing your course or any course you are learning, you'll be given a certificate. So you can just learn different course. Okay, so let's just check one more course before the end of this video. Let's check one more course. Okay, let's check for web development. This is web development with Angular and Webpack 4, creating smart web apps with Django. Web development tools essentials. Okay, let's click on web development tools essentials. Okay, so as you can see, we have two courses here. We have Visual Studio Code, that is the software, how to use Visual Studio Code, that's for programmers, and how to install the XAMPP server for PHP and Microsoft MySQL, that is for the back end aspect. So you can actually just check around the websites. You can just check around the website and discover more and more skill you can actually learn to actually skyrocket your tech skills. Okay, so guys, if this video has been really helpful to you, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel, because it will actually help me in creating more videos, and it actually boosts me in creating more videos, and also encourage me in creating more videos. Okay, so guys, stay tuned to this tutorial, because in the next tutorial I'll be bringing out more and more websites and more informations for you to upskill in your tech journey. So good day guys, see you in the next video.